Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down gadgets so you can buy smarter. Today we're taking a close look at the QUIKLYNX wireless replacement controllers for the Nintendo Switch, Switch OLED, and Switch Lite. These are budget-friendly Joy-Con style controllers designed to mimic the size, feel, and basic functionality of the originals, while costing about half the price. But are they actually worth it? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the QUIKLYNX controllers look familiar. They follow the same compact form factor as standard Joy-Cons, with a comfortable anti-slip grip that actually surprised me. The texture adds just enough friction without feeling rough, making longer gaming sessions easier on the hands. They slide onto the Switch rails smoothly, and the fit feels secure, not loose or wobbly. Pairing these is straightforward. Once attached to the console, they automatically sync without any extra steps. If you're using them wirelessly, the one-key wake-up button becomes really handy. You just tap it, and your system powers back on, which is a convenience even some higher-priced third-party controllers skip. One thing QUIKLYNX emphasizes is compatibility with all original accessories. I tested them with a standard charging dock, grip attachments, and a few protective cases, and everything worked as expected. If you already own a bunch of Switch accessories, you won't have to replace or modify anything. Now let's talk features. These joypads include a 6-axis gyroscope for motion controls, which is important for games like Splatoon, Breath of the Wild, or Mario Galaxy. Motion tracking is responsive, not quite as refined as Nintendo's first-party Joy-Cons, but surprisingly accurate, especially at this price point. The controllers also include dual vibration motors. The haptic feedback is strong enough to give a sense of immersion without feeling harsh. During gameplay, the vibrations triggered consistently and didn't overwhelm the experience. Battery life is another highlight. Each controller includes a 600 mAh battery, giving around 15 to 20 hours of gameplay on a full charge. That's significantly more than standard Joy-Cons, which average around 7 to 9 hours depending on use. And if you're running low, you can continue playing while they charge on the console rails. There's also a built-in screenshot button, making it easy to capture quick moments and share them later. For a lot of users, that's become a must-have feature, especially for social media or saving game progress memories. Performance-wise, during my gameplay test, the sticks felt precise with no noticeable lag. Face buttons register cleanly, and the layout mirrors the original controllers perfectly. QUIKLYNX claims to have improved the internal chip to reduce disconnects and drifting, and in my testing, I didn't experience any drift or dropouts. Now, these controllers do come with a few limitations. They do not support NFC scanning, so amiibo functionality is off the table. If you rely heavily on amiibos, that's something to keep in mind. The HD rumble level isn't as detailed as the official Joy-Cons, though the dual vibration motors still offer satisfying feedback. Still, for casual to medium intensity gaming, the overall performance holds up well. For players who want a second set of controllers, parents looking for budget replacements, or anyone tired of paying premium prices for official Joy-Cons, the QUIKLYNX set is a genuinely solid option. They deliver strong battery life, good comfort, responsive controls, and ease of use at a much lower cost. While they don't have every feature the originals do, they offer an impressive value for what they include. So are they worth buying? If you need reliable backups or affordable everyday use controllers, absolutely. They perform well, feel good in the hand, and integrate into the Switch ecosystem smoothly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us what accessory you want us to test next. See you in the next video.